Our task for today is creating a task board, handling buckets, and understanding how we can utilize these buckets for each form. To start with, we will open the task board. In the task board interface, there will be an Add button visible. Clicking on this Add button will open a form where we can create our task board. For now, we will name the board and select other options as needed, and then click on Create. After clicking Create, our task board will open. Here, we can see that a demo bucket has been automatically created. If we wish to update this bucket, there will be a 3 dots option available for further actions. By clicking on it and then on the Update button, a form will open where we can change the name of the bucket and update any values as needed. There are options available, for example, to use Teacher dropdown, and these options can be utilized according to our needs. If we need to use leads from the form, then we must enable a setting called Show in Dashboard. Once this setting is enabled, the leads created from our form will start showing on the dashboard. Next, there is a setting called Current Officer. After selecting this setting, any leads that come into this bucket within the task board will automatically be assigned to the enrollment officer. If we need to select a default lead source or assign it to a lead, we can do that from here as well. Similarly, if a location needs to be automatically assigned to a lead, it can be set here, and whatever location we select will automatically be assigned. After that, we have the option to select forms and the fields of these forms. We will continue this in the next steps. For now, we save our progress. After saving, our bucket has been updated. If we need to create a new bucket, we can do that by clicking on Create Subtask, and then create a new bucket from there. Now, we will open Forms on the dashboard. We currently have a demo form. Let's create a new one by clicking the plus button. Add a title for it, add some demo fields for now, and then save it. After saving, the form will be created, and we will be redirected to the form settings page. If the form is not yet assigned to any bucket, a message will appear with a button to Assign Task Board. Upon clicking it, a form will open where we first select the task board we have created, for example, the Testing Task Board we created earlier. Then, we have the option to show tasks on the dashboard. If we need to add tasks or leads to the dashboard, we can automatically select Show Tasks in Dashboard option. To create a new bucket, click on Add New Bucket, and the fields for the bucket will be displayed. If we have previously created a bucket named Bucket 1, we do not need to create a new one and can instead select an existing bucket. Then, if we need to assign a lead source or leads to something, we can select it from here. After that, we select the fields of the form that we need for our bucket. If we need to select a default enrollment officer for all leads, we can do that here. After saving, our form is now assigned to the bucket. Filling out this form will automatically create leads in our database or in this bucket, which will also be displayed on our dashboard.